Hey, hello everyone. This is another sunny day of April. We are in India. Let's get started. Now, I am making a special relishing drink for my plants. This is called vermi tea. It is very easy to prepare and contains lot of nutrition to help your plant enjoy this hot summer. Here I am taking best possible quality of vermicompost of around 2 fistful. And adding 1 tablespoon of neem cake powder. Tada! That was all the ingredient we wanted. Let's add some water in it. It's around 1 liter of water what I am adding. And now it's gonna stay in shade for next 2 days. Voila, it's ready. Now I can give this drink to all my plants. This vermi tea contains all the macronutrients and it releases many good organic microbes in soil. According to me, it is the best fertilizer for all kind of plants. I am not giving here foliar spray, but it can also be used as foliar spray. Just you have to drench it with this liquid fertilizer. I always prefer liquid fertilizers and it can be easily absorbed by plants and the results are quite visible within few days. So, you also try giving vermicompost to your plants. Only one little thing you have to ensure that you use only the original vermicompost. Thank you friends. If you like the video, please share, like, comment your opinion and subscribe our channel.